guys, I'm Lulu. So today I'll tell you how big of wheel spacers do I need. Using a metal ruler, place a straight edge on the outer part of the rims where the wheel comes closest to the fender. Then measure from the outside wheel to the straight edge. This distance is the size spacer you will need to achieve the look that flushes or nearly flush with the fender line.
Wheel spacers are installed between the hub and the wheel. Push the wheel further away from the chassis, widening the track, so that increases the turning radius a little and also adds stability.
BONOSS is always concerned about the safety. We use forged aluminum alloy 6061 T6 material, modern CNC machining by 0.02 mm tolerance. The multi-stage hub-centric design fits a wheel hub better.
This in turn increases the amount of grip that your vehicle has in corners, allowing faster cornering. Spacers can also change the balance of your car's handling.
So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye!